we are now at the downstairs of our Zhongxiao Dunhua House, which is located in a very convenient area. Here are a lot of restaurants, tea shop, and department stores. So it's really good for young people. And today I will show the inside of the house and also the transportation and the environment. So let's go. So this is the inside of Zhongxiao Dunhua House, and here's the living room, and we have sofa here, and there's a big TV, and also we have free Wi-Fi. And that is the security box for the people who live in the share room, so you can log your money or a password in it. And you can see there's 2 boards, and you can share any information, and sometimes we post event information on the board, so you can check all the information here. And there's a small balcony, so we can hang your clothes here, like this. And next, I will show you the dining space. So here's the dining space. So you have a space to study or enjoy your dinner with your housemates. And we also provide some equipment for you. And you can see there's an oven, a microwave, and a rice cooker. And here's also some basket. So for each person, you can put cookie or instant noodle here. And next, I will show you the kitchen. So here's the kitchen, and we have a big fridge here. We also have some pans and pots. We also provide everything that you need for cooking. So basically, you don't need to prepare anything. And there's a small balcony. Here's a washing machine, so you can wash your clothes here and hang your clothes at the balcony. So, how was the inside of Zhongxiao Dunhua House? If you want to get more information about the rooms, you can check the link on the description below. So next, I will show you the environment and the transportation. Let's check it out.
This is area map of Zhongxiao Dunhua House. It takes 7 minutes from MRT station to the house on foot. There are some convenience store, department store in this area, and also a lot of restaurants on Yanji Street and Zhongxiao East Road. It's really good for shopping and hanging out with friends. This is Taipei Metro System. We are now at Zhongxiao Dunhua Station. It's just 4 stops from Taipei Main Station, where you can take Taoyuan Metro or bus to Taoyuan International Airport. If you're going to study Chinese in Taipei, here are the closest stations for each language schools. Guting, Technology Building, Dongmen, and Da'an Park.
So how was the house video today? If you want to know more information of our share house, please follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. We hope to see you guys soon.